My brother and I are in joint stock banks in London. Full stop. He is in the foreign department and consequently he is specially acquainted with such expressions as arbitration of exchange, comma, course of exchange, comma, rate of exchange, comma, long exchange, comma, short exchange, comma, cable remittance and telegraphic transfers, comma, and a draft on demand, full stop. The phraseology used in connection with bills is very interesting to him, comma, and in dealing with a bill he has, comma, of course, comma, to note the date of the maturity of the bill, comma, whether it is specially endorsed, comma, or has a restrictive endorsement, comma, or has on it the words without resource, comma, or in case of need, full stop. Bills are sometimes accepted for the honor of any party thereon, comma, or accepted payable in London, comma, or they have a per procuration acceptance, full stop. A bank may receive orders to retire acceptance, full stop. I am specially concerned with checks which may be town checks, comma, metropolitan checks, comma, or country checks, comma, paying in slips, comma, various bank notes and circular notes, full stop. Our bank occasionally consents to grant an advance against a life policy and accepts deeds accompanied by a memorandum of deposit, full stop, close.